In the next part, we're just going to shift our body weights from one leg to another, first to the right. Remember to keep your knees slightly relaxed, slightly bent to make the motion fluent. Back onto the left leg, and with this shift, rotate your body slightly counterclockwise as a preparation for the next part. And now lady is going to rotate clockwise, raising right hand first, then the left one. Start by taking a step with the right leg, left one, continue the rotation while raising your left hand up, and one final step onto the right leg to the side. End up facing the audience, keep holding with both your hands the entire time. Let's now focus on the men's steps. We're going to show them from a different angle so you can see the steps exactly. The steps are really simple. We're going to start with the shift of the body weight to the left. And now the lady is going to rotate side step to the right. Feet together, to the right, and stay. Very simple. Thanks to this you can focus on leading the lady with your hands. Let's go back to our original heading to focus on the hands more. To the left, now raise your left hand with the side step to the right. Connect your feet, start lowering your left hand and raising the right one, and one more side step to the right. Lower your hands at the end. 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3,